There are some children who need special care. They suffer from different types of illnesses. Let's study these different illnesses and how they should be taken care of. Different types of illnesses which affect some children. Polio. In spite of the pulse polio drive being carried out by the government, there are children who contract this disease. Polio affects the legs. These children are completely normal, only their legs are weak, so they wear braces. They attend school with other children. Cerebral palsy or spastic paralysis. This is a condition where the child has very little control over his muscles, as the part of the brain that controls movements is damaged. The damage to the nervous system cannot be cured, but the use of the muscles can be improved through physiotherapy. These children can use crutches and braces. In big cities, there are special schools for these children. Down syndrome. This condition is present at birth. That is, some children are born with this condition. Such children have upward slanting eyes, a flat nose, a small head, and short, stubby hands. The ears and teeth are small and abnormally shaped. Children with Down syndrome attend special classes. They can be trained to do simple tasks. Deaf and mute children. Children who are born deaf cannot talk. A baby learns to talk because its mother and other adults talk to it. It imitates the adults and produces similar sounds. But when a baby is born deaf, he cannot hear any sound, so he remains mute. There are special schools for these children. They are taught to speak with the help of hearing aids. They are taught lip reading and sign language. Treating the children with special needs. We should treat them as normal children. We should not feel pity for them. We should be friendly and affectionate. We should not make fun of them or make them feel embarrassed in any way. We should not hurt their feelings. There are many children with special needs who lead a normal life. We should draw inspiration from them.